Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man, a Delano Strip View King Suite room tour. Plus, how I got a nightly room rate for only $30. So originally on this trip, I redeemed 2 free nights for Mandalay Bay on the My Vegas Slots app. Upon check-in at Mandalay Bay, I inquired if any complimentary upgrades were available, aka the $20 trick. I was told none were available, but I could upgrade to a Delano Suite for a rate of only $30 per night. Well, that was an offer I could not refuse. So that's 725 square feet of luxury strip view yumminess for only $30 a night, plus resort fees. Plus, you have access to the Mandalay Bay Pool Complex, the best pool complex in Las Vegas. There is a short walkway that connects Delano to Mandalay Bay, so you're never too far away from the casino and restaurants. The beautiful and elegant walkway has its own special air scent pumped into it. It smells like vanilla. And there is also Bella's Kitchen, a modern breakfast and lunch comfort spot with farm-raised meats and house-grown herbs. Here's the lobby bar, the Franklin Lounge. Here you can enjoy craft cocktails, appetizers, and an extensive collection of spirits. Here is the hotel registration area. Mobile and self check-in is available. Also located in the lobby area is 3940 Coffee and Tea. Here you can refresh and recharge on their mid-century modern furniture, plush sofas, and communal seating with a fireplace. Delano Las Vegas is a 43-story all-suite luxury tower. My suite was on the 22nd floor and it came with a strip view. And here is a tour of the 725 square foot King Suite at Delano Las Vegas. Here is the main living area with seating for up to 5. In an elegant, subtle, chic motif. There is also a 55-inch LED TV and a workstation with all the ports. And there is also a wet bar with a Keurig coffee maker and a fully stocked mini bar. If you bring your own coffee pods, you'll save a small fortune. Oh, there is also a powder room in the entryway. And here is the bedroom, folks. It features a 46-inch LED TV, and a dual closet armoire, a clock and a safe, and everything else you would expect. And here is the totally awesome bathroom. Featuring marble and granite surfaces, twin vanities with a backlit mirror, and separate shower and giant soaking tub. This bathroom also came with its own TV and a waterproof remote, and a separate room for the toilet. I really enjoyed the soaking tub and probably spent way too much time in it. Thanks for watching. You can support this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here to watch more of my fabulous content. Tap that center icon now to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.